If you're trying to do YouTube in 2025, then you're probably wondering, which wireless mic am I supposed to purchase out of all of these different ones? Because let's be honest, there are way too many options at this point. DJI just came out with another one, the 3, and you're probably like, I should probably buy it. You probably shouldn't. You know why? Because we have all of these mics already. So we're just gonna finally figure this out. In this video, we're going to do the most scientific test possible to figure out which of these mics sounds best and which one you should actually purchase for YouTube videos in 2025. Test number 1 is seeing which one sounds better while I jog on this treadmill. So we're gonna switch between all the different mics and we're gonna figure out which one sounds better when you're jogging on a treadmill, because this is a very important test that you would probably be doing if you were wearing one of these mics. So this is test number 1. How does it sound while I'm jogging on a treadmill? Now let's do the muffy test and figure out which wind muff is muffier. To do this, I have this large fan blowing at great speeds, and we'll be able to test which one of these mics is muffier. And that way you will know which one you will need whenever you have to film in a hurricane.
The next test is ASMR, and see which one of these sounds the best for ASMR, because that's still really trending, and you will need to use ASMR in your videos because people like it. So which one of these sounds best for ASMR? As you hear that I'm switching between them, how does it sound? Let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you would use these mics for.
The next test is probably the most important, and that's aesthetic. There's one clear winner here. We don't even have to test all of them. The Hollyland Lark M2 wins this one because you can put these cute little stickers on the front to customize the way your mic looks. Now this next test right here might be a deal breaker for you. We're gonna talk about magnet strength. Obvious loser here is the M2S because you don't attach it using a magnet. Even though this back part is magnetic, you just attach it by sliding it on. So it gets ruled out. So let's test the DJI Mic 1. Pretty satisfying. Now let's do the Mic 2. Not bad. Now let's test out the Lark M2. So let me know in the comments which one you found the most satisfying. And of course, the last test is obvious. You can either pick DJI or Hollyland, but you cannot like both systems because that would not show brand loyalty. So hopefully these tests help you figure out which wireless mic you should purchase for YouTube in 2025. And if you enjoyed this video, you might actually like this video right over here where I actually talk about some useful information regarding which camera you should use for YouTube in 2025.